SodaWorks presents a blasting demo of various substrates and situational applications. So, what are the results with SodaWorks blasting equipment? Here is an example of cleaning soot and dirt from masonry. Here is an example of removing adhesive labels and paint from glass. Here is an example of removing paint from conduit. Here is an example of removing stains and surface marks from plywood. Here is an example of the results after removing multiple paint layers from finish-grade wood. Here is an example of removing smoke damage from a metal roofing in a commercial building. Here is an example of removing mold in a crawl space. Here is an example of removing fire and smoke damage in a basement next to sensitive HVAC equipment. Here is an example of removing tar from thin-gauge aluminum holding tanks. Here is an example of removing paint and body filler from auto body panels. Here is an example of multiple layer paint removal on a trailer. That is not all. From pools to carbon fiber to engine remanufacturing, this has been just a small selection of the hundreds of uses for SodaWorks blasting equipment. Have questions? No problem. Get in touch with our soda blasting experts today.